call 911. Dude, are you alright?
You know, it's scary. That's why I'm like, you gotta just get it in front of your face.
All you guys are helping.
Touched it.
Nick, do you see? I put one in and almost got it out. Oh, I see the different thing.
Boonies HQ, baby. Let's get it.
Damn it, Mike!
You actually firecracked.
Yeah! Welcome to the new age. You don't have to pump it up like it's a bicycle anymore.
Except it takes forever.
I do still prefer the analog.
Yeah.
Pumping it up. Just,
Oh no, you just set it to a specific like PSI.
yeah, exactly. It's literally just like any like a tire or anything with compressor.
I didn't even realize these things had air in them.
Yeah. Nothing's lighter than air. You know, the steel required to build a spring to get like that high would probably outweigh the possibility of getting that much steel that high into the air.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
We have like a steel spring pogo stick in the car, and you can get like this high, maybe like up to your knee or
Okay,
hip
but
height.
that's what allows you to get them big.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
It's totally hollow from here to here. Almost there.
What do you want, 75?
So the thing that surprises everybody is like how hard it is to actually get it to move with this amount of pressure in it, because my full body weight can stand comfortably
Oh, wow.
on it without moving it.
That's crazy.
But then it's just about like the rhythm.
What a setup, dude.
Dalton, he did 12. So
Wow.
12's the height record for Pogo right now.
No shit. You guys are like right at the cusp, huh? That's pretty nuts.
Yeah, we're neck and neck, and we've got different techniques.
Sure. Just
But,
like skating, I'm guessing, right? Yeah.
Yeah, like there's been a debate whether or not. So he does a stick flip over, and he's gone higher. And 12 feet is just definitively higher than anyone's cleared with a straight jump.
Sure.
But there's been like, oh, does that make it easier or what? But at that height, I'm like,
You're
no,
like,
he's
no.
got it
Is this
now.
flex
Like,
from excessive use, or is that?
that's from like if I do a dismount or I bail and I drop it, it'll just
Okay,
bend.
The first one I saw was New York one, your New York one. They took the fucking Sinatra song off. Did you notice?
The what?
The one you did in New York to.
The Jenkum?
No, just on your Insta, and it was you had Sinatra. The other day I went on, they
Yeah.
fucking took Sinatra off.
I know, and they kept the live versions on Instagram. I tried to replace it, but I was like, come on.
Dude, that I was like, damn, like that one really sold me on it. I was like, I was so sick.
Damn, I'm glad you liked that one. I was like, when I found the song, it like
Yeah.
the brass one with the bounce, and I was like, let's go.
Yeah, and just how good the city looks.
Yeah, that was really fun. That was just with our manager guy Will. We were just walking around and seeing what we could jump over.
Ooh. Okay.
Those are scary.
What are those called?
Oh, I'm too cold to do that right now. Like a dribble, I think we call it usually.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying to do. Hippie jumps. Russ was trying to like dribble it under the caution tape
Oh yeah.
to make it work, but just kind of stops the pogo stick a lot of the time. I'll give you a techie one. Jeez. Dribble back.
Dude.
It's nice that it's in the grass because you get a nice platform up. It's so Anyone behind me?
Let's go.
We looked at our buddies recently and we were all a little more nervous to go over it, but it looks smaller today. I think we got it.
It's down a little bit.
Yeah, the downhill, just having a sturdy concrete lip that it sets under is going to be super helpful. I never really paid attention to the cameras on it before.
Oh yeah, they're everywhere. It's very comfortable, people.
You want to spot
A couple months.
you know what you're getting into on the other side?
First try.